Alrighty, this is my demo of the app. Okay, so whenever you log in, I already signed up for this, but whenever new users log up, sign up, they're able to choose what sort of trainer they want, their info, and pretty much stuff like that. Let me show you the settings. Wait, let me move this. So if you go into your settings, you obviously have the option to change your name whenever. Just name it Q to show you guys. There you go. You have the option earlier on, we were talking about like designing. We have a light, a dark mode system, or just the typical default. And for our AI buddy personalities, we have four different modes. We have an encouraging coach, a strict trainer, a calm mentor, and a playful friend. These affect like the tonality and how firm they are on you completing your habits. But just for this demo, I would just demonstrate the encouraging coach. Okay. So once we go back to the user dashboard, here you'd see the time. Might be a little harder for me to see. Let me just change it back. Do have an active timer. Whenever midnight, whenever it's close to midnight, which is a new day. So right now it's 12 hours and 33 minutes left of today. And and for this mode, I chose encouraging coach. Tells me that I'm at 14% this week. This is just because I tested earlier some habits, completions, features in that, and that's why I tracked it. So this was like from yesterday. Some of the habits I got is the gym daily, sleeping early, to get up early. I eat breakfast at 10 a.m. Certain habits like that. This is the habits screen. You just set up new habits if you want. Let's say you want to go run in the morning. You want to run in the morning. This is for fitness, I guess, or I guess some people mental health. Um, I'd say this is easier between easy and medium. This is something you want to do once a week or daily. You just click weekly or daily. You click a certain color tag for it, and then it gets added to your habits chart. And once we go back to the home screen, it gets added to the checklist right here, run in the morning for health. And so upon completion, um, so right now we have six habits that are being tracked. You have six remaining today. 0 out of 6 was completed. Let's say you just skip the easy one out, waking up early and eating breakfast at 10 a.m. So the app tracks your habits that were completed, and now you have four remaining. Uh, let's say, yeah, let's chat with the AI bot real quick. So it tells me, hey, Quan, you're at 2 out of 6 habits today. What's on your mind? You need a motivation, a challenge, or just a check-in? I could easily ask, what's left today? And then it says, you have four habits left today. I'd start with gym to build momentum. You got this. Or if you ask, I need motivation, it gives you a prompt that says, very encouraging messages. And this is one of the perks for the AI belt. To give you a challenge, something different. Do 10 jumping jacks right now before your next habit. So just something fun, a fun feature that I incorporated into this project. Let's say I'm stressed. It's loading. All right, yeah. We're out of tries because we're on the free plan. that's one of the flaws for this project. The OpenAI key isn't free. Well, it is free, but it's limited. It's three usage, like a minute, I think. Moving on for our progress. This is like the heat map, um, for like month. It keeps track of your daily streaks. So right now, since I tested this yesterday, sleeping early, we did that today, right? So now it's at two streaks. We haven't done gym yet, so it's still at one. Eating lunch at 12 is still at one because we haven't done that. Run in the morning. And some insights. It keeps track of the weekly. Every week it refreshes. Yeah, it resets every Monday, right? And so you earn XP by completing these habits, by staying on task, right? And you get enough XP, you level up, and that's pretty much the reward system, the gamified platform. And here you could write your weekly reflections to, keep you keep some track record of like how you're doing, your wins, any obstacles you went through. Just basically a like a diary, pretty much, or a journal on your fitness goals or things of that nature. Was an example I wrote. I went 3 out of 4 times to the gym, which is an improvement. Obstacles was time management. And then next week's focus would be, doing the easier tasks first before things stack up. And these are some of the rewards. We have the badges for I already did first step, which was like you get obtain that for like completing one task. It's easy to get. And hat trick is like you complete like three the same day. Mission creator for creating habits, things of that. Like some free badges. Some are like long term, some are short term. You'd easily get in one sitting. 3A streaks. So right now on our day two, so you'd get that badge if you were, you know, logged in for 3 days, completing things 3 days in a row. Here's what happens if you just complete all the habits. Let's say I went to the gym, ate at 12, read a chapter, run in the morning. All right, tells me that I'm completed. All things are done. And then if you chat with a box, you got some what's left today. It also tells me that nothing's left. Every habit's complete. And pretty much it resets at midnight. So you keep tracking again for the next day. And here we have the update heat map for 2 day streaks currently. And so, during certain habits, some are daily and some are weekly. Here we have like read a chapter of the Rust manual. So I was supposed to. This one was like only. It was like one chapter a week, pretty much. And so we overdid it. Honestly, 2 out of 1 days this week. So it keeps track of that too. And yeah, that's pretty much it of this um app demo.